everyone? Welcome to the OklaRoots YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to do something super fun. Today, we're going to do an unboxing of the upcoming Kimberbell Bella box. Now, let me just show you the classic orange box that we all love so much. If you're new around here, you might not know, I am the biggest fan of a mystery box. I love mystery boxes so much. You tell me you put some stuff in a box, and you're not going to tell me what's in it, I'm probably going to buy it. I'm also the biggest fan of Kimberbell. Kimberbell products are some of my absolute favorite. They're perfect for machine embroidery. That's what it's all about. The Kimberbell box is all about machine embroidery. Now, I know a lot of you guys have bought Bella boxes in the past, and you don't even have an embroidery machine. You were going to do other crafts with all the goodies inside, which I think is really smart. Honestly, I would probably do the same even if I didn't have an embroidery machine. However, I am lucky enough and I do have an embroidery machine, and so I love to make the projects that are inside this box. Kimberbell is switching things up just a little bit lately. They're doing me time now, which is machine embroidery delivered time. Machine embroidery time delivered. I'm not gonna get it right. But me time actually makes it a lot easier for you to get these Bella boxes. If you've seen in the past, these Bella boxes sell out fast, and once they're gone, they're gone. I'm not even gonna talk about the Christmas Bella box of last year, but if you had one of those, you could probably make good money off of eBay. That's all I'm gonna say about that. The Bella boxes can be very hard to get. So now they have a subscription service. The Bella boxes come out twice a year, one in the spring, one towards the fall, towards the holidays. And if you're part of the subscription, you're already guaranteed you're gonna get the Bella box. So I think that's a great option for anybody who stresses out about being able to actually get one of these Bella boxes. I highly encourage you to check it out. I'll have a link for all the stuff down below. So I just want to send a huge thank you to Kimberbell for sending me this box and also for sponsoring this video today. I'm so excited to do this unboxing with you. What we're going to do is we're going to just look at everything. And I know there's unboxing videos out there. We're going to look at everything inside the box. I'm going to tell you what I think of it. And then if you guys want to see any of the projects from this box, leave a comment down below and we'll make some of those projects. Also, if you'd like to see some of these projects with like a twist, maybe some of these projects with the embroidery machine and also without the embroidery machine, let me know. We can have some fun creative videos with that. The subscriptions for the Bella box start this month and it will ship in June. So very, very soon, like in a few days soon, get your subscription in. All right, that's enough talk. Let's open up this box. So as always, the beautiful orange box. Now this is a big box. I'm gonna measure this box. Hold on a second. This box is about 11 inches by 12 inches. That is a pretty hefty box. And if it's anything like the other Bella boxes that I have been sent and purchased in the past, I've been a fan of this for a while, it's packed in with goodies. It's so fun. Okay, let's open her up. Let's open her up. I feel like there should be some glowing or something. Oh yeah, look at that. The Bella box. Ooh, French Market. That's what it's called, French Market. Oh, it's gonna be fancy. So here we have the Discover and Delight in New Possibilities with Me Time Projects and Products. So this is a fun little sheet right here, and it's gonna tell you pretty much everything in the box. But I'm gonna put that to the side because I like a surprise, and I kind of like to guess what it is. First, we have this. Welcome. Thank you for subscribing to the Bella box. You're welcome. Let's open this up. Oh, this is a blank. Oh, I just ruined that beautiful sticker, didn't I? All right, so this is a blank. This is a canvas tote blank. Oh, okay, good. So this is what's cool. Look, this is a canvas tote, right? But, Jessica, how are you gonna hold anything in that bag? Because it's the sides. I know, it wasn't that funny. But what you do with this is that it's open like this so you can embroider on it, you can do all your art on it. Honestly, yeah, do the projects as they suggested in the box, but also if you got some kiddos or you got some fabric paint pens, let them go to town. This is gonna be a gorgeous summer tote, right? If you have a cat that wants to join in, maybe let them do something too. Boots! No, I'm talking. But what you do is you do all your designing, all your stitching. It's easier to do when it opens up like this. You have a lot of room to play, and then you sew it together. And the box will have instructions on how to do that. So I think this is a great idea. I know in a lot of places, grocery stores are going back to reusable totes. So for those of you who have been messaging and commenting and emailing me about that, this is gonna be a fun way to have one of those. All right, let's see what else we have in here. So this is the Kimberbell No Place Like Home 2-day embroidery machine event. Okay, so they always have advertisements for events that are coming up. Always check with your local quilt shops and see if they have any Kimberbell events, Kimberbell packages. I mean, the Bella box is cool, but they have so many kits for like holiday pillows and quilts and like like everything. They have stuff for everything. And if you really want to make these projects with other people, your local quilt shop is where you're going to be able to do that. So let's do this. The Bella box. We've got a beautiful little magazine. Oh, what's in here? Oh, that's so cute. Oh my gosh. Is this all the stuff we can make in here? Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Hold on, I have to cover up some of the stuff so you don't see. I'm sorry, but I have to show you this. This is so pretty. I love in the hoop, like, you know, like traditional wooden hoop embroidery. Oh, I'm a big cross stitcher, so I just love how that looks. Oh my gosh. And the colors in all of this are killing me. The pastels, the florals. Okay, so here's the tote. Again, I'm just gonna kind of cover up the instructions. Oh, that is so cute. So here is the tote. You see it has a little hot air balloon. It says Hello World on it. You could stitch that out. And then, like I said, give your kids some fabric paint pens. Let them kind of decorate little clouds around it in a rainbow. Right? I know. We're gonna be here a minute. Grab a drink. Oh my gosh. There's like this bookmark keychain item. Look at this. Look at this. Can you see that? The little bicycle with the flowers in it? It's cute. You guys, there's a zip pouch. We have a zip pouch. Let me show you. It's very chic. Again, the colors in this box are killing me. It's exactly my vibe right now. The exact color palette that I'm feeling personally right now. Okay, so we're gonna put this to the side. There's a lot of projects in here, and not just projects, all the stuff for those projects. So if you wanna get creative and do something else with them, you can. Look at this. We've got, this is, okay, let's see what it says on it. It says tassel and palm. So this is tassel and palm. I don't know if you can see, but you can see up here, it's like a white tassel fringe and then the palms on the bottom. If you've been here for a minute, you might know that in my house, my mom calls these little palms dingle balls. So, we got some, Mom. It's gonna be fun. Okay, next. Flea market bag. Oh, look at this. I gotta feel this fabric. This fabric looks good. Oh yeah, that feels nice. That feels real nice. Oh, I wish you guys could feel this. Can you see it enough to feel? It is so soft. This is for the flea market bag? What's that one? Oh, I think it's that one. Yeah, we didn't look at this one yet. Hold on, guys. Let me show you the flea market bag. Okay, can you see? I know there's a glare. Can you see, though? Can you see that awesome crossover? This, okay, that fabric and that striped material, that's a beautiful bag. Oh, wow. Okay, let's move on. Oh, we've got a cute little charm pack here. Love this. So this is a charm pack from Silky Solids. And as you can see, the color palette is beautiful. Like I said, this is just the perfect spring into summer color palette. Next up, we have a little 6-inch bamboo hoop. I cannot tell you how many hoops I have in my house. Again, I'm a cross stitcher. So the nice thing about these hoops is that you can use them for hanging them up in like wall decor, craft room decor, things like that. You could also just reuse them for projects. If you like to do hand embroidery, if you like to do cross stitching, you use it to actually build a project, then you can take it out of the hoop and do something else, and then you can reuse it for another project. So I love hoops. I can never have enough of them. Next is probably one of the most popular items we have in our personal shop and also in our home, the Kimberbell tape. This tape is the best tape. I love this tape. As a bag maker, I use it to hold down pieces of material. The nice thing about it is you can sew over it, you can machine embroider over it, sewing machine over it, and it doesn't gum up your needles. It holds things down, but it doesn't leave any sticky residue. No sticky residue. Please don't ever use duct tape with your projects. I know it's popular, but just don't do it. This stuff is great. I love Kimberbell tape, so that's perfect. Oh my gosh, look at this pin. Okay, we need a closer look at this pin. You guys, this pin. Let me see if I can get in the shot. Do you see how beautiful? Look at those details. I love the gold. I love the color palette. Again, the color palette on this pin goes directly with the color palette of the material they send you. I love that. Oh my gosh, that's going on one of my bags for sure. Oh, I love these so much. These little holders, these silicone tool holders are fantastic. Let me grab some stuff so I can show you how it works. I actually have a few of these in my house everywhere. So I keep them in my sewing room. I put my scissors, all my tools and stuff like that in them, but we also keep them in the office, and my kids have them in their rooms as well, where they put all their pencils and pens, things like that. So let me show you. So like here's a marker. And the nice thing is there's a bunch of different size holes on here, so you can put all kinds of stuff. You can put skinny stuff in here. Like look, here's like the skinny end of this tool here. Stick it right in there. Let's see. Here's my. You probably shouldn't do that because you will jab yourself. Don't do that. All right, let's take a ruler, see if we can stick that. And you can. The flower petals kind of move out of the way, so you can put it between the flower petals. Perfect. Try to find something. Here's like this. See, you just put a whole bunch in it. It has some weight to it, so you just set it down on your counter, and it just holds all your stuff. I have one right next to my machine. I have one hiding behind all the stuff back here. Again, in the office, kids' rooms, everywhere. You can put in your kitchen. I'm trying to find some little scissors. Here we go. This is what it's like really good for, is scissors. You put little tiny scissors in there, easy to access. I love this tool. Love it. All right, moving on. This is the linen table runner. I'll be honest, I've never made a table runner before. Let's see how big it is. I want to see how big it is. It's a nice big table runner. So you can just put this right along the center of your table. What project do we do with this? Let's look at the project. That's the nice thing about this little magazine right here. You just open it up, first page, it lists all the projects and their page numbers. So if you're just like, what am I supposed to do with this? Let's look. Le Fleur Table Runner 23. Oh, that's pretty. So here's the table runner. You do these beautiful flowers in their vases, and you see how it just hangs off the edge like that? That is gorgeous. Again, if you want to make it a little bit more cutesy, get some fabric puff paint. You know, like fabric puff paint. Give it to the kids. Do your embroidery. Tell them, don't touch the embroidery. No touching the embroidery with puff paint. But anywhere else, have fun. Draw your flowers. Have a fun summer, little table runner. That would be so cute, especially for like summer picnics and things. I got so many ideas. All right, next up, scissors. I think I actually own some of these. I own so many of these like Eiffel Tower scissors. I love these so much. I'm taking them out. Oh, look at this. It's very French. Little Eiffel Tower scissors. Those are beautiful. All right, so we have some beautiful thread. This is glide thread. Glide thread is some of our favorite over here. Beautiful color. The colors are just what are getting me right now. Okay, what's this? What's this? Embroidery leather. Our faux embroidery leather adds dimension to all your machine embroidery and sewing projects. Okay, well this is cool. So it's like a faux leather vinyl material that you're going to applique onto things. That's beautiful. I'm excited about that. Next up, okay, this is project kit. Materials include, okay, a lot of different material and foam, all kinds of little things. We don't have to go through every little thing, but I want you to take a look. If you want to buy the box, you should take a look at this. So look at that. We've actually been using these a lot lately in Shop OklaRoots. I love these little beads. You're going to be making some cute bookmarks and things out of that. So in here we have some nice little tassels, a beautiful zipper. This looks like a number 3 zipper. And then the color palette, guys. The color palette. Look at these beautiful colors. I gotta make some bags in this color palette. This looks like it might be for the zip pouch. Yeah, with the zipper. This is for the zip pouch. And then you have a couple pieces of clear vinyl. This is like a Coke bottle green clear vinyl. Is this one too? Yeah, this is also like a Coke bottle clear vinyl. And then you have some like fleecy material here, some felt material, and then some foam. I'm running out of space on my table for everything. Let's see, I think we're almost to the bottom. So then last is the tea towel blanks. So these are just beautiful tea towel blanks that you're gonna be using to embroider on. The tea towel here kind of looks like the one for the purse, doesn't it? I wonder if it uses that for the purse. But again, you can use these for whatever you want. So that's like the fun thing about this. I'm looking at everything here and I don't see anything that has to be only used with an embroidery machine. I really don't. The glide thread is actually a very popular thread for domestic machines for sewing. I know a lot of people love using this thread for making their bags. Everything here can be used for projects that don't require embroidery. So if there's just like a bunch of goodies here that you think that you would like for yourself or that you'd like to gift for someone else, I think it's a great box. I really do. I think it's a fantastic box. And you get a lot in it. That's something that's really important to me. You get to taste everything. You know, it's kind of like the buffet of mystery boxes. You get a little bit of everything. For me personally, this is how I found some of my favorite products to use when making bags, when sewing quilts, when machine embroidering. So a Bella box is a great way to try a lot of things without having to hunt them down in all the different places. I mean, trust me, you know, if there's a lot of things you want to try out, you might have to buy some things online, find some things on Etsy, get some things from your local shop. It's a lot, right? So a Bella box, a mystery box, these are the type of things where you get to try everything all in one box. So I absolutely love this box, guys. I think you will too. I hope that you enjoyed today's unboxing. Again, Kimberbell, thank you so much for sending me this box and sponsoring today's video. These boxes are really one of my favorite things every 6 months. I absolutely love it. So if you get the Bella box, let me know. If you've already pre-ordered it, if you're planning on pre-ordering it, let me know. If there's any projects from the Bella box you want to see on the channel, we can get crafty. You guys want to get crafty? We can get crafty with this. We can definitely, I think for sure I'm going to make the tote bag with the little hot air balloon that says Hello World, because that is just beautiful. And I think I will actually give my kids the paint pens and let them kind of go to town around the embroidery, and then we'll have a fun little summer tote bag for grocery shopping this summer. But if you use any of these things in a different way, I definitely want to know about that, because that's the best thing about creative boxes, right? Is especially the Bella box. That's what I really love about it, is that it gives you everything you need for a large amount of products. I mean, look, this is a catalog of projects. There's so many things in here you can do. So if you are just somebody who's like, I want what I make to look like that and nothing else, then it's going to. Like, they give you everything you need. If that's what you're going to get, you're going to be in good hands. But if you are a more like creative, artsy person and you're like, you know, like, I'm going to take a little bit from this, but then I want to put my own spin on it and add some of my own material, then you can do that too. You can get so creative with this. So I hope that this was a fun video for you. It definitely was a fun video for me. I hope you're having a great day. Have a fantastic rest of your week. Get out there and make something. Bye, guys.